So man expr. Okay. What is this expr? It's a evaluate expressions. Okay. If you remember any if loop kind of stuff. In if there is a generally conditions are there, greater than, less than conditions. This exp are also used for conditions plus arithmetic operators also. Okay, it is comparator as well as we use it for a arithmetic operations purpose also. Okay, anyway, how to use it? expr. Simple, you want to add two things like a 10 plus 20. Okay, so it will display that output. So here we will see only the arithmetic operations. Okay, minus, plus, division. So why I'm getting 20? Because high and low. So 10 by 20 it is. So I will take 100 by 20. Fine. So if I take something random number like 110. Yeah, still why? Because it is the round figure only it is showing, not a dot decimal value, it is not showing. Okay. So next, take something 10. What is this? Again, it is got changed. This always irritates me. Okay. Like this, not this slash. You have to use this slash for multiplication. I said, no, this generally in the worldwide, all the commands, simple star is multiplication. In this Linux, that to expr, in this expr, multiplication is slash and star. Okay. So not a star, not a slash star. It is this slash. It's like forward slash and star for expression. Okay. This is for our multiplication. So additions, subtraction, division, multiplications. And what is this percentage? So what is the one? The result one. So 10 by 3 means it is 10 by 3 means 3 into 3, 9. So 10 minus 9, 1. So that's 1, it is showing like this. If you use 11, it will show 2. So what I said, it's a 10, you're dividing with 3. Okay, so 3 times. So 9. You got 1, the result. This one it is showing. Okay, I use 11. So 11 minus 9, then it is 2. 2 it is showing. Okay, so it's a percentage 3. So we can use this one as a arithmetic operators. Also, you can use it as a comparative operator also. So like this. We'll see comparisons. A equal to A. It is returning 1. 1 represents it is true. You can use same. A equal to B is 0 means is false. Okay. XPR 10 is greater than 4. Not showing any result because it won't work like that. You have to fix the what we say variables you have to specify. Why it is showing like this? Why it is not taking variables? So read dollar. So read A equal to 10. Oh dear. Yeah, equals it is taking, but not a greater than. Why it is? Sorry, guys. Sorry, my mistake. Why it is not taking variables? That's the correct one only. Why it is taking variables? Same. Okay, maybe I use a dollar. Maybe that's the problem. Same. What happened to my line X? Maybe you have to use differently. 1 second, guys. Same line X using variables. What happened to this? Okay, leave it. It is not recognizing the variables. So generally in a scripting, so directly we have to use this, not a equal to 10. That is not there. Then so like read a, and it is 10, and echo $a. Yeah, now it's working. Sorry. Read b is 3. Okay. Echo $b. Sorry. $b. That's a 3. So it's like I read a and I added a variable. So it's not taking, maybe it's working in a script only, a bash script only. Now directly in a command, it is showing like a read a. So I given 10, so it is taking like that. Okay. And read b, and I given 3. So a value is 10, b value is 3. So same expr. So $a is equals $b. It is 0, means not equal. Both are not equal. Yes. Is A is greater than B? That is again not showing GT for an EI. Greater than or equal to 3. Not returning anything. A is less than B, which is showing. Maybe you have to use quotes or what? We don't know. Yeah, greater than, less than. This part only it is working.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, try with -GT.
No, right, that is one. Very good. $A hyphen
-GT,
CTT.
$B. Sir, we have to use square brackets, I think.
We'll use it. Oh, no.
Square brackets, sir.
It is not today's not a good day. My system giving me a problem. That's it. Nothing more. Okay. So it's not understanding ZT hyphen LT less than or greater than or equal to nothing. It is fine. Okay. No problem, guys. Not clear. Okay. This is expr. So what we have to understand from expr is a expression. Means you can do arithmetic operations and comparative operations also. Arithmetic and comparison also you can do it, but it's working with the equal only. Equal, it is working, and not equal, it is working. That's why in last time also maybe I have done equal and not equal only, not more than that one. But greater, it should be works, and it is not showing any other options if you don't know. Now, Bala, we are, what is this? History. So generally we use this under scripts. So mostly, again, if you are having a scripting in your syllabus, then definitely one we will see that one. So what we are observed from here, it is first arithmetic expression. So compulsory spaces are important, guys. Okay, 10 plus 20 means there is a 10 space plus space 20 is important. And subtraction and division. Subtraction and division is also an important, okay. And this is a multiplication. Multiplication is always this slash, opposite of division. So forward slash start like this. And this is will show the result output. This is verification, both are equal or not equal kind of stuff. This won't work. And from here, uh, yeah. So here I set a variable to set a variable like a read A, I put a 10 and then check it. What is the variable value? Then I put a read B, then I put a variable value is 3 and check it. It's working on that. Now echo B. Okay, here it is both are equal or not equal with the variable expressions. I check it. Remaining is not working. So what I do, I remove all these things. So if you are if it is returns 1 means output is true. Okay, if written 0, output is 0. Okay, so that is expr. So where is your chat? Copy the comments from your chat box to your notepad, guys. Already I have a document, so that's okay, but we'll see that. Okay. So next one is BC, basic calculator. It's a small tool to do some arithmetic functions, just for calculation purpose, like your calculator, command line calculator only. not like a expr. Expr is a different. Expr generally used in a scripting languages, programming purpose we are using. BC is just like a calculator purpose only. It's not used for a programming, means we don't include that one in a any other commands kind of stuff. Just you click on BC and enter. So it is showing here like this. You can use 10 plus 20. Okay. 30 minus 3. uh, 44 minus 88. See, minuses also it is showing. Okay. So arithmetics functions purpose only it is. 44 divided by 2, 3. Now it is what it is showing. I put a 3 instead of 2. It is showing 14. But I use 44 divided by 3. It is showing 14 means 1, 3, and it is 14. And for 14, again 4, that 2 minus 2. So this is 14 we are getting. Okay. But again, this is 0, right? You have to get a decimal values. Decimal values. But we are not, it is not showing any decimal value. To get it, you can use scale equal to 2. Means you are this 2 decimal value it will show. Same 44 by 3. Now 14.66. 14.66 it is showing. Okay. So you can change the decimal value 1 or 2 or 3. For that one, scale equal to that number. If you don't want, you can put a scale equal to 0. Scale equal to 0 means you don't want any decimal values. See, no decimal value things. You put scale equal to 1, only single decimal value it will shows. Next, multiplication, star into 3. Star, here it is simple, no need to worry about slash or like that. Okay, simply we'll use simple star. Okay, so this is other functions. 44 percentage 3. Okay, it is showing 2 the result. That's like down we got this 2, that is this 2. This is always represents with a percentage. Okay, so how to come out? How to come out from this one? You can put a control C or control Z. I put a control C. So just control C, I exit. Here it is most useful one. Control C, control Z as the most useful one. I exit from the current one. Or you can use Q also.
Sir, what is mean by BC?
Basic calculator. You want to come out, you can press Q. Q is not working. So control Z. It stop the process. Not actually, it is not kill the process. Control C will exit the process. Use control C only. Yeah, what is BC? Man, BC. Calculator language, abbreviatory precision calculator. So generally we call it as basic calculator. Okay. Now this is a BC. I am removing this part, this small part. And first you have to type BC. You can use any expressions. And what is this? Control C. This is you have to press CTRL plus C. C Control C. Two buttons only. Control and C. It will exit. Okay. So guys understand both BC and expr. Now go for lunch, guys, and we'll start the original remaining commands. This is very basic and starting commands only. Okay, just for understanding how to interact with our system. So later we'll see the file system. File system hierarchy first we'll see, then how to read a file, file filtering commands, then file creation commands. We'll see that one. Okay, go for lunch. We will be back at 2 o'clock. Okay, so we'll be back at 2 o'clock again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so be there at 2 o'clock. So by 2:10, I will start. Okay, bye
Okay, sir.
guys. Okay, go for lunch and be back in